Hello friends, welcome to Mohini Art Gallery, and today we'll be painting this sparrow. So I hope you will enjoy it. So let's start with it. So this is an MDF board which I have gessoed it with white color, and then I've just drawn a rough sketch, and here I will be using acrylic color. So the colors which I'll be using here are white, alizarin crimson, black, then burnt sienna and burnt umber. So let's start with it. So first I'm using burnt umber and white mix, and I'll be just blocking the painting, just a rough sketch which I have drawn, and I'm just blocking the down area, that is the stomach area of the bird. It's a very small size MDF board. I can say it's hardly 1 inches or 1.5 inch. So drawing very small painting is quite difficult, and it's quite challenging also, and making video is more challenging. So I hope this will be clear to you. I'm trying my best. So first of all, I have just blocked in the stomach area, that is the lower part, and now we will be doing the wings part, which is the burnt sienna and white mix. Sparrow bird we have seen from our childhood, but now I think it is being extinct. So we need to conserve this species. I don't remember when I have seen this bird from long time. So this bird usually makes its nest in the home area where humans live, where there is a certain space where they can create their nest, especially around humans. But nowadays, due to tall buildings and trees are getting cut off, I think this bird is getting extinct. So we need to conserve this. So I have just added a little bit of burned umber, the lower part, with a black mix. So I'm just trying to create as much realistic look as possible. So it's now almost 3 years I've been painting acrylics. I mostly like acrylic painting. I do other paintings also like gouache and watercolor, but mostly I give time to acrylic. And all of a sudden this medium is not so comfortable because it dries very fast if you live in humid or some dry area. If you live in some cold area, then it's still better that it is wet. But when you live in certain like northern part of India or some warm areas, the colors dry so fast. So you have to make it a practice that how to use that color, how much water to use, how much thick the quantity should be. So all this comes with practice, which I have learned. So on the upper part, I'm just adding the mix of alizarin crimson and black. You can also check out my paintings on Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram ID is Mohini Art Gallery, and Facebook it is Mo Creations. I'm also there on Twitter. You can check that out. So it's very important to use the exact color the exact color combination and exact color to create a realistic painting. For that you need a lot of practice, a lot of color combination. Just practice some color mixing, like the primary and the secondary color, tertiary colors. then you will come to know how to use that exact color and how to mix that exact amount of proportion of values and shades, because that is most important when you are doing any realistic painting. It takes time, obviously. It comes with practice. Everything comes with practice. None of it comes sudden. So you need to practice as much as you can. At least practice for 30 minutes. You can do small painting or just a part of painting. If you're doing huge canvas painting, just do a part of it. And practice makes difference. As I can see my painting when I used to paint 3 years back, and now what I'm painting. You can see my Instagram profile from 3 years, and now you'll see the difference. So start with the thumbnail painting, with small paintings, small size paintings, and then start with the bigger one. Don't just start with the bigger canvas painting. First, start doing small paintings, notebooks, and then you can start with the bigger canvas painting. So whenever you are doing any portrait or any bird painting or animal painting, the eye is the most important part, so take a lot of time when you are doing the eye part. So this, you can see, it's a very small painting, so it's really very difficult to put each and every detail. When you are creating big paintings, you can create details, but in small painting it's quite difficult, so make sure you use smaller size brushes. Here you can see I'm using zero size brush for creating the details, and this brush is from Artificials. And this MDF board I bought from IVEI. That is a site you can search on Amazon or Instagram. So just creating small lines to create a feathery look. You can also try this out at home. You can get this MDF boards from IVEI, and there are many MDF boards you can get from there, and you can try it out. Like this bird one, so I took that. I have also tried that small magnet stickers. This is also magnet. I have also tried some square and round size magnet, which you can paint it with beautiful landscape painting or any portrait painting, and you can use it as a magnet. So here I'm just creating those feather shapes first with the dark color. I'll just create the shapes and then I'll start filling the details. I'm just creating the shape with burnt umber and white mix. So just enjoy the process of feather making. Once we are done with the detailing, so we'll just fill the below area, which is white. It's not white, it is off white actually. So, and this middle area is white. Then I'll just create colors, and here I mostly used this burnt sienna and a little bit of crimson mix. Just filling that shape which I have created. I think we'll be needing Naples yellow as well for this, so I've just taking my Naples yellow. And this is the Liquitex Basics color which I'm using here. Light color, here I'm using Naples yellow and white mix. Just creating some details for the feathers. There are many other bird painting which I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can check those out. They are quite detailed painting. I think there are 2-3 paintings of bird which I have uploaded on the YouTube channel. You can check that out also. So just enjoy the process of making feathers more realistic. It's just the lines and the layering which matters to create a realistic painting. Your time as much as possible and take breaks, take tea, and then start if you're feeling lethargic or feeling lazy or tired. So just take break and have a cup of tea or coffee, whatever you like, and then start painting, because realistic painting takes time and patience both. So here darker version I've applied burnt umber and black mix little bit. So I'm just creating the details. So just creating small lines with, and now the leg part. Actually the leg cutout is not so clear, so I thought to create two legs, and in between that black portion, so that looks like okay, those two legs are separate from each other. So it's almost done the detailing part. I'm just overdoing and doing the layering. As I said that in acrylics you have to do layering until unless you are satisfied that okay, it's fine now. So it's just the layering technique which works here. So I'm not still satisfied with the eye, but can do more of some detailing. So let's see, let's put more darker color because this is very light. I don't want so much of light color. again. So this is almost like done. So I hope you enjoyed this painting. If you enjoyed this painting, do like, subscribe and share. That will be of real support. And if you're trying out this painting, do tag me on my Instagram. I love to see them. So thank you for watching this. So this is it. So thank you and have a nice day.